Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. We are back for another design team project for Doreen at Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. And today I am using her Snippets to Cherish flower kit. And I made a pouch which is inspired by Lene at Grace and Lace Journals. She is always making pouches and I finally gave it a try. So I printed this on canvas, and we have this beautiful flower, which has a clip on the back, and we have some pearls, rhinestones, and lace dangling down. They are not attached, they're just through the loops, so they can be taken off and used elsewhere if you would like. But we have this pretty little flower with all kinds of goodies in it, and a nice big doily on the back. And this is our pouch. I did stitch it closed, and as you can see, I printed the same image front and back so that when you look on the inside, which we'll look at in a minute, you can see the image. We have this beautiful lace that comes all the way up to here. Isn't it beautiful? And it has these little polka dots here. We have a doily here. And then I used one of the bows from the kit, and I did stickles on the inside all around. And we have this pretty lace trim ruffle with pearls running down the center. And this is the back. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful image. I can't say that enough. So we do have some goodies inside, and you can see on the inside it's all printed, so it looks nice. Let me shut this door, because every time I do a video I should just shut the door automatically. So we do have some goodies in here. We have this that I thought was nice and appropriate. I can write a little message to, you know, whoever gets this on the back of it. But we have some pretty lace trim and then some rhinestones down there. We have one of the gloves from the kit, the nice little butterfly applique. We have this tag, so pretty with the flower, and then we have lace and pearls. And this one, this is so cute. We have some lace, a flower, and a rhinestone. And then this one, I just love these frame images in this kit. They are beautiful. Some lace and a pretty pink button. And then we have this one with a little snippet here with some fun things on it. All kinds of goodies. This piece of lace has some pearls on it, so pretty. Love it. Love this kit. So there you go. Got this gorgeous pouch and all these goodies. And I had fun making this. I will be making more pouches, that's for sure. So I want to thank you for hanging out with me today and checking out my design team project. Please hit that like button, and if you would, leave me a comment. I'd like to get to know you, and it definitely helps my channel by hitting the like and leaving a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.